If you're working in InDesign quite frequently, especially with large print material documents, then you're probably familiar with the zoom tool, which allows you to zoom in and out of your document, focus on text areas or images that you may need to focus on. And what I want to do for this lesson is show you how you can quickly and efficiently zoom in and out of your pages. So to access the zoom tool, you could access it from the tools panel here at the bottom, but I don't like to do that. Why? Because I like to be efficient in what I'm doing. So I use keyboard shortcuts. And the keyboard shortcut for accessing the zoom tool temporarily is by hitting the Control spacebar. So in our last movie, we know we can temporarily access the grapper tool or hand tool with the Alt spacebar, but for the zoom tool, we want to press Control spacebar. So when I have that selected and I'm holding them down, I can right click on my mouse to zoom into the document. Another thing that I can do while I'm holding them down, let's say if I want to zoom into the word Arizona on my front page, is I can simply click and drag. Now what if I want to zoom out? If I want to zoom out temporarily with that key and see if I let off, it brings back my selection tool, is I will hit Control Alt spacebar to get the minus magnifying glass and then simply click where I can drag click, and that's what I'll get. Now I have zoomed quite a ways out of my document by holding down Control Alt spacebar and dragging on the minus sign, and this is pretty much what I get. What if I want to zoom in closer? I can hit Control 2 to zoom in at 200%, and here up at the top we can see that I'm at 200%. I can hit Control 4 to zoom in 400%, or I can hit Control 5, and can you guess what percentage it's going to give me? 50%, not 500%, but 50% to zoom in and out of that document. There is yet another way that we can zoom in and out of our pages, and that is under the View menu. So here under the View menu, I have Zoom In, which is Control plus the equal key, which is also the same as Control and the plus key, because the plus and the equal key are the same key. I also have Zoom Out, which is the Control and minus key. I have Fit Page and Window, which is the Control plus 0. And Fit Spread and Window, which is Alt Control 0. And then I can get the actual size of the document, which is Control plus 1. So those are the many ways that you can zoom in and out of your document, your pages, and your spread.